Hello, my dear friend. How are you all? I really hope that you all are fine. In this video, you will see plastic bottle cap recycling craft. Recycling bottle caps into crafts is an excellent way to give new life to materials that would otherwise be discarded, reducing waste and promoting environmental sustainability. Bottle caps, often made from durable plastic or metal, are small yet sturdy objects that can be repurposed creatively in various ways. Their size and shape make them ideal components for art projects, decorations, and educational tools. When collecting bottle caps for crafting, it is important to ensure they are thoroughly cleaned to remove any residues. This not only makes the crafting process more hygienic but also improves the adhesion of paints, glues, of other materials. Because bottle caps come in different colors, textures, and finishes, they provide a rich palette for artistic expression. The rigid nature of the caps allows them to serve as structural elements in crafts, while their circular shape can be combined to form patterns, mosaics, or three-dimensional objects. The process of transforming bottle caps involves various techniques such as gluing, painting, cutting, and some things even drilling. These processes can enhance the visual appeal of the caps and adapt them to the specific needs of the project. For example, painting bottle caps can add vibrancy or thematic color schemes, while gluing multiple caps together can create larger composite forms. In addition, the tactile and repetitive nature of working with bottle caps offers a therapeutic and educational experience, particularly for children and individuals looking to develop fine motor skills. Recycling bottle caps in crafts is not only beneficial for the environment but also encourages creativity, resourcefulness, and mindfulness about consumption and waste. It transforms a simple everyday item into something valuable and unique, demonstrating how small actions can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. By engaging in such raw crafts, individuals can connect with broader themes of conservation, innovation, and community involvement, making the humble bottle cap an emblem of ecological responsibility and artistic potential. Ultimately, recycling bottle caps into crafts symbolizes a shift in mindset, viewing waste not as a problem but as a resource. It reflects an ethos of mindfulness and innovation where everyday objects are valued for their potential beyond their initial use. So, guys, I really hope that you will like it. Remember me in your prayers and enjoy your beautiful day with your family. Thanks for watching again.